Insta360 has announced the X3, an all-in-one 360 camera that is a successor to the One X2 released in late 2020. The X3 now sports a 2.29-inch rectangular display, which you can use to preview and review footage and control the device. At $449.99, the X3 is slightly more expensive than its predecessor and still has 5.7K max resolution. X3 can do 4K and is also able to take super detailed 360 stills at 72 megapixels. Time lapses and bullet time have also gotten resolution bumps to 8K and 4K, respectively. The camera has a bigger 1800 Ah battery. The company says the X3 is waterproof down to 33 feet and the screen is made of tempered glass.